na natin ang ating circuit. So, ito yung para sa switch natin sa baba ng hagdan. Tsaka ito naman yung switch natin para sa taas ng hagdan natin. 10 golden rules of electrical safety. Rule number 1. Comply with all applicable industry technical standards in the design, installation, and operation of electrical systems. Rule number 2. Treat all electrical systems as energized. If there is work to be done on any part of electrical system, isolate it from the power source and install appropriate tag. Rule number 3. Ensure that electrical equipment are properly guarded and appropriately grounded. Rule number 4. Install protective devices that are properly rated, set, and coordinated to automatically isolated fault parts of the system. Rule number 5. Consult and engage the service of PRC licensed electrical practitioners, PEE, REE, and RME. Rule number 6. Ensure that all electrical equipment are correctly labeled, conductors are properly color-coded, electrical diagrams are always available, and safety signages are highly visible. Rule number 7. Regularly monitor loading of electrical system components to ensure that they are within their rated capacities. Upgrade immediately if necessary. Rule number 8. Periodically inspect and maintain electrical system and equipment. Rule number 9. Wear appropriate PPE and use proper tools when conducting electrical works. Rule number 10. Provide a disconnecting means for all local and manual isolation of electrical equipment during emergencies.